How to pause Shopify store for maintenance. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to pause your Shopify store to make it for a maintenance mode. So we're going to head over shopify.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now what we're going to do is to head over left side of the screen and we're going to select from here the online store. We're going to click on themes and we're going to click on edit theme. Now we're going to head over the homepage up top, click on password. It is going to show you the password page. Now we're going to have the opening soon. I'm going to add a little bit of text. We are on maintenance, or we are maintaining I think not like this, maintaining our store. So we're going basically here to have the message. You can go ahead and add some banners right there. You can add some blocks, then you're going to save it. Now the most important part is to head back within the store, click on preferences and activate the password protection. So in my case, I cannot deactivate the password protection because I'm not within the premium account of Shopify. We're on the trial only, but in your case, you can activate it and deactivate it if you have bought a subscription. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you in the next one.